Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to add a video to your Steam profile. Start by opening up Steam, then select Point Shop inside the store. After that, select Showcases, scroll down to Additional Showcases, and select Video. This showcase costs you 6,000 Steam points. Next, open up Steam in your browser. When signed in, click on your Steam name and select Content. Finally, click on Videos and link YouTube account. I don't have any videos on this account, but if you have some, a list will show here, and you can select the ones you want to showcase. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.